Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and I'm a 50-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. On this channel, we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free, and turn on your post notifications so you'll get an alert when we upload our next video. So the buildup of plaque in the arteries, also known as arteriosclerosis, is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Plaque consists of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances that accumulate on the arterial walls, narrowing them and impeding blood flow. While conventional treatments for arteriosclerosis often involve medications and lifestyle changes, herbal remedies have gained attention for their potential to support cardiovascular health. So in this video, we're pretty much going to be looking at two herbs that can help unclog the arteries, scientific evidence that supports the latter, how to use these herbs to clean your arteries, where you can get them to buy, some precautions to consider before taking them, and some dietary and lifestyle considerations that can help with maintaining arterial health. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Arjuna bark comes from the Terminalia Arjuna tree, and it has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, primarily as a cardiac tonic. It is useful for heart health and has been used to clear clogged arteries to the heart. It is also useful for reducing blood pressure and cutting down on bad cholesterol and high levels of triglycerides, which contribute to clogging of the arteries. Scientific investigations have validated its efficacy, particularly in addressing cardiovascular health issues such as arteriosclerosis. It has been said that any clot in the arteries, if developed, can be easily managed by using this herb. Arjuna bark has an anti-thrombotic property, which clears the channels of coronary arteries, anti-atherogenic property, which means that it can protect against the buildup of plaque in the arteries, and anti-platelet properties, meaning that it can help to decrease your body's ability to form blood clots. It is rich in other bioactive compounds that contribute to its medicinal properties. These include tannins, which possess strong antioxidant properties, helping to mitigate oxidative stress and protect arterial walls from damage. Flavonoids, which exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, crucial in improving endothelial function and reducing plaque formation. And glycosides, which enhance cardiac muscle strength and improve overall heart function, and properties which aid in lowering cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of plaque accumulation in arteries. Studies have investigated the cardiovascular benefits of Arjuna bark, providing substantial evidence for its use in treating clogged arteries. Arjuna bark is available in powder form, which is said to be the best choice. This can be mixed with honey or a glass of warm water and consumed. The recommended dose is said to be 1 teaspoon 2 times daily, taken on an empty stomach. If taking it on an empty stomach doesn't sit well with you, it is recommended that you wait until 30 minutes after you've eaten a meal before consuming it. The capsules or tablets are also available, which are convenient for those who prefer a measured dosage without altering their diet significantly. However, the tablets are said to be more effective than the capsules. The tea or decoction can be made from the bark, which offers a soothing way to consume the herb, which is also effective. To do this, the bark can be placed in 1 liter of hot water overnight, and then this liter of water can be consumed as a tea the next day. There are also liquid extracts or tinctures, which offer concentrated doses and can be added to drinks or taken directly. You can get Arjuna Bark in different forms to buy on Amazon. To take a look at some of these products, please click on the links in the description below. Before incorporating Arjuna Bark into your diet, especially if you are on medication or have an underlying health condition, consult with a healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that Arjuna Bark does not interact with your current medication or health status. Arjuna may interact with blood thinners, so it is generally advisable to consult your physician if you are taking it with anticoagulant drugs. Arjuna may decrease blood sugar levels, so it is generally advisable to monitor your blood sugar regularly if you are taking it with anti-diabetic drugs. It is generally advisable to avoid taking Arjuna if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. For thousands of years, garlic has been used as a medicinal food for its different effects, including cardiovascular. However, raw garlic is pungent and may have negative gastrointestinal effects. So, aged garlic extract is commonly used as a supplement. Garlic is a popular supplier. Now, aged garlic extract, also known as AGE, is a dietary supplement derived from garlic that has been aged for a certain period, typically 20 months. This aging process involves soaking sliced or crushed garlic cloves in alcohol. It is then filtered and concentrated. This process reduces the harsh odor and taste of raw garlic and transforms its sulfur-containing compounds into more stable and beneficial ones. Aged garlic extract has been studied for its ability to manage cholesterol levels and improve arterial health. It is also renowned for its cardiovascular benefits, including reducing arterial plaque. Aged garlic extract has several active compounds that are thought to help with reducing plaque in arteries. These compounds include S-alicysteine, diallyl-disulfide, ajon, alixin, and other flavonoids, polyphenols, and thiosulfonates, and they are also found in garlic. However, the amounts of these compounds differ between aged garlic extract and raw garlic. Several studies have shown that aged garlic extract can stop or reverse the buildup of plaque and coronary artery calcification, helping to minimize the progression of arteriosclerosis. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, supplementing with garlic can halt and even reverse the accumulation of low attenuation plaque in arteries. You can take aged garlic extract as a supplement. As was mentioned before, garlic is a popular brand of aged garlic extract that has been shown to have the potential in helping to remove or reduce plaque from the arteries. The recommended doses are generally 1.2 to 2.4 grams per day and is usually taken with a meal. However, it's best to speak to your healthcare provider about the dosage. For those who are interested, you can get different brands of aged garlic extract to buy on Amazon, including Kylic aged garlic extract. To take a look at some of these products, please click on the links in the description below. Aged garlic extract is safe for most individuals. However, there is the potential for mild gastrointestinal side effects for some people. Consult with your healthcare provider before taking aged garlic extract, especially if you are taking blood thinning medications or other herbs that have blood thinning properties, as it has blood thinning properties. Avoid consuming aged garlic extract before surgery due to its potential to increase bleeding risk. Taking excessive amounts of garlic supplements can lead to adverse effects. While incorporating these herbs into your diet, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Focus on a diet rich in fruits,
vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reduce intake of processed foods, saturated fats, and sugars. Engage in regular physical activity, such as working out at the gym, walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Drink plenty of water and practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.